Okay, now the steps are the same as yesterday. In the opener today, after we found our 2 points, what did we have to do next? Then we are going to find the slope. And I hope you don't need a reminder at this point, but if you do, I'm going to do it using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's what I mean by find the slope. Then we put it in point slope form. And once again, if you don't remember what that is, let's write it down again. It is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x. Okay. What did I have you do last in our opener today? Caitlin? Convert it. And how did we do that? Very good. Okay, so we are going to distribute and write in slope, intercept form. And just a reminder on that, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay. So now, let's go back to the word independent, dependent. Do you remember x and y? Which one is the independent? Which one is the dependent? Okay. So domain is which one? So domain is the independent, right? So let's just remind ourselves today that if it's x, it's the independent. And if it's y, it's the dependent. Okay. And so what I mean by that is in this problem for a kitten, the weight of the kitten depends on its age, right? Who's ever had a kitten? What happens like if you would weigh the kitty every couple weeks, what would happen to its weight? It would increase because now I know why, because it's eating, but it's growing. Because its age increases, its weight increases. So the weight depends on its age. Does that make sense? So we would say the weight depends on its age. Okay. Up above, it says the Gonzalez family's new kitten is 6 weeks old and weighed 8 ounces. What units are we using for weight? Ounces. So would you just write ounces underneath this? Don't put it by X yet. This isn't X. And the age is in weeks. So we already said, doesn't the weight depend on the age? So the weight depends on its age. So weight is going to be the dependent. What variable is it then? Y. So for y equals the weight of the kitten. What does x equal then? The age of the kitten. Okay, we need 2 points then, and our points should go age, comma, weight. Can somebody write an ordered pair of the age, comma, weight? Give me one. Caitlin. 6 weeks, comma, 8 ounces. So 6 is their age, and the weight is y. Can somebody give me another point that is the age, comma, weight of the kitten? Well, you can't really screw this one up. 10. Because it's 10 weeks, the weight is 10 ounces. Okay. So guys, once we do this part, this is no different than what we did yesterday. Okay, so what should we do first? No, did I do number 1? Did I find 2 points? I did. Now what should I do? Let's find the slope. Okay, Cody, what should we do on top? What do you want to do on the top of your fraction? 10 take away 8. If we do 10 take away 8, then, Christy, what should we do on the bottom? So I did 10 take away 8. I need to do 10 take away 6 on the bottom. Okay, so it looks like on top we have a 2, and on the bottom we have a 4, which we can reduce to 1/2. Putting it into point slope form, and I do not care which point you use, let's use 6/8, I would write y minus 8 equals 1/2 x minus 6. This would be the point slope form. Okay, Clay. So how would I now get to slope intercept form from that?
You'd use the parentheses times 1/2 by x times 1/2 by x.
Okay, so we're going to get rid of this parentheses, he says, and we're going to distribute. So we are going to go y minus 8. All right, what's 1/2 times x?
1/2 x.
Okay. Now, let's try to do this in our heads, guys. 1/2 times negative 6. Now, if you even have to write this out like this, 1/2 times negative 6. Oh, that's negative 6 divided by 2. It's negative 3. Okay, or half. Cut something in half. What's half of 6?
Negative
3. So half of negative 6 is negative 3. I'm just trying to get us unafraid of using fractions. Okay? All right, now what should I do? So we get y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Okay. Oh no. Let's start with the y-intercept. Okay, I know what the y-intercept is on the graph. I want to know, in this problem, with the Gonzalez family's new kitten, the y-intercept is 5, correct? What does that mean? When the kitten was born, awesome. When the kitten was born, it weighed 5 ounces. When the kitten was born, it weighed 5 ounces. Because intercept is when the x is 0. What's the x? The age. When something has an age of 0, it would mean it was just born. Okay, what's the slope? The slope is 1/2. Yeesh, what does that mean? Change in y over change in x. Change in weight over change in age.
Sure.
What does that mean in this problem?
Maybe.
Okay, well, what's the measurement of weight? What were we using? Ounces. And what was our measurement of age? So how is the weight changing per week? Okay, the kitten's weight is increasing a ½ ounce per week. Or you could say 1 ounce every 2 weeks if you want.